Today we will do this 3D rounded Dutch braid. If you are new here, this is another braids channel where I upload new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below, to never miss a video. If you are already a subscriber, I would like to thank you for your support. We previously did a simple ponytail version of this braid, so if you haven't watched that tutorial, I suggest you check out that one first. I will leave the link in the description box down below. Start by making a simple 3-strand braid. That will be our base, and we will be braiding around that braid. Now take 2 strands from the left side, and 2 strands from the right side of the braid. Start with the outer left strand, and cross it under the 3 strands, and place it next to the braid on the left side. Next, take the outer right strand, and cross it under the 3 strands and place it next to the braid on the right side. You can now put aside the outer right strand. It is much easier this way, but it is absolutely optional. Now take the outer left strand, and cross it under the 3 strands and place it next to the braid on the left side. Put away the new outer left strand. Continue repeating these steps by adding hair to the outer strands. Now take the 4 strands in one hand, and the braid in the other hand and start pulling up. Secure the braid with an elastic. Next, unbraid the 3-strand braid and hide the elastic. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below. If you decide to recreate these hairstyles, hashtag another braid and tag me on Instagram so I can see your creations. I upload videos twice a week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to be in the loop.